What's up guys? This week I am doing a makeup video for you guys, and obviously I know you guys are all like, oh my gosh, her hair. Yeah, it did something real crazy. I literally got as blonde as you can literally get. I absolutely love it. I hope everyone else does. It looks a lot more yellow on camera than it is. It's more of a white blonde, but it looks really yellow right now, so that's why it might not look good on camera. Hopefully everyone likes it, but I don't know. Yeah, so this week I am doing a makeup look. I only did my eyeshadow really on camera because my camera was being funky and everything, and I really wanted it to be about the eyeshadow anyway because I am so spoiled and so lucky. For my birthday, Beau got me the Jaclyn Morphe palette, and I'm literally obsessed with it, so I've been doing makeup looks, and I've honestly been obsessed with makeup recently. Also, I know I want to say a disclaimer, my eyebrows. Yeah, with this hair, I'm not used to it, so I definitely need to get a more warm-toned, eyebrow stuff, so don't mind that. I know they kind of look really bad right now with this hair, but yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm taking the Garnier Skin Active eye thing, and I'm going to put it up above here to start for the eyeshadow look. Alright, then I take the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, the original one, and just put it on my eyelids. Going to start on the look. I have a picture on my phone that I'm going to go by and see if it works, because I am definitely not good at makeup, so it may not work. So I have a picture and I'll put it on the screen, and I'm obviously not going to make it that dramatic because I would not look good with that, but I do have fake lashes for this, but I'm not going to do the winged eyeliner like that because no way would that look good on me. So let's just get started. The first brush that I'm taking is, actually I don't know, it doesn't have a name, but it has two sides to it. So I'm going to take this one in the palette, and I'm just going to do it all in my crease and like a little bit above. Guys, I got my banana split iced coffee. The camera around a little bit so the angle is different, but I'm still going. All I did was the crease. So then I'm going to take this color in the middle. And I'm going to put it in the corner of my eye and bring it a little bit in on the crease, but only a tiny bit because I don't want it to go like everywhere. So I'm going to use this smaller brush. And this one, I still don't know the name, INM. I don't know, but it's the small brush. So now that looks really crazy, and I'm going to take the NYX eyeshadow base and just put it where I'm gonna like do like the cut crease kind of thing, like just right here. And I'm gonna take a Real Techniques detailer brush and put that on. In the palette, and I'm going to put it right over top of what I just did with the base. And I'm going to use the other side of the brush that I was using earlier and put a lot on because it's kind of sheer. Blend those two more like in between, so I'm going to go back in with the really dark one over here and just kind of blend them together as much as I can. And then I'm going to put more of the light color up here up here because it kind of disappeared. Pretty much the eyeshadow is done. I just have to do like the eyeliner, and I also use this palette to like smoke out the eyeliner. So I'm taking so next I'm going to be taking the Ico liquid eyeliner. It says that it's waterproof, and yeah. So I'm just going to put it on the top lash, and then I'm going to smoke it out with the eyeshadow palette. This takes much concentration, so... So I had to do my eyeliner off camera because I literally can't do eyeliner for my life. That's why I'm smoking it out with this, because it looks terrible right now. So I'm going to be taking... Honestly, I don't know the name of this one either because I got it on Amazon in a pack. So it's just like an angled brush, and I'm going to just put the very last eyeshadow. It's called Abyss. That one I know. And I'm just going to put it over top and kind of smoke it out a little bit so it's not so harsh, the line. Now that it's a little bit better, I feel like that makes a really big difference. I'm actually going to move it also to my waterline a little bit, but just the eyeshadow, not the liquid eyeliner. Also forgot to line my top waterline, so I'm going to do that now. I'm only going to bring it out a little bit, so... Alright, now for the eyelashes that I can't do, so let's see. I'm using the Ardell Deluxe Pack, the Wispies, and it comes with it comes with some, look at that, and it comes with the glue. So I don't usually do eyelashes, so let's see how this goes. Might have to do it off camera, but we'll see. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That'll be down below. And also follow me on my Instagram. Those will be down below. And I hope you guys have a great week, a great rest of your day. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!